the truth?
Hello? Hey girl, what's cracking?
You a bad motherfucker, huh? Crap.
Whoa, what?
That's how it is.
Yo, it's me, man.
What's up, homie? Hey, let's grill up some burgers next week.
Man, you ain't nothing but a punk.
You cock-eating asshole.
Fuck off. Go on. Fuck off. Okay then, badass.
Asshole.
Man, why don't you go fuck yourself, all right? Man, fuck you. Hey, fuck you, bitch. Would you fuck off? Fuck off. Go on. Fuck off.
Yeah, whatever.
Man, why don't you go fuck yourself, all right? Man, fuck you.
Calm my ass down.
Come on, move. Man, you pathetic, fool.
Fuck off!
Motherfucker.
Is happening.
Shit! You hit me,
Don't forget it.
punk.
What the fuck do you think you'll do?
Peace, it's okay. Don't squash me.
I'm the motherfucking victim.
Whatever.
Man, you suck.
Hell no.
Get your hand out of my pocket.
Hey, fuck you, bitch.
Big bag.
In your breath and begin your death. I'm tough,
Would you
Dick.
fuck off?
I've been through the struggle.
Fuck off. Go on. Fuck off. Would you open your damn eyes? Man, why don't you go fuck yourself, all right?
Respect me, dog. Damn you, devil.
Man, you a genetic experiment gone wrong, dawg.
Fuck ass motherfucker. I'm fucking.
And people say I'm a disgrace to society.
Hey, I didn't mean anything by it, sorry.
Hey, you lame, dawg.
Well,
Lame ass bitch.
They legalized absinthe.
Hey, what's up, Simeon?
My dear boy, so good to see you. So good. Hold me.
Yeah, look, man. Look, we've been working together for about a few months now, right?
Which is why I am very honored to announce to you that you are Employee of the Month. Huh? Anyway, congratulations. It wasn't easy picking a winner.
Yeah, me, Lamar, your nephew Sacha with the Twitch. Look, man, it's been a real honor, homie. But I gotta move forward in my life. It seems like all I do is let people tell me what to do and I do it and nothing changes.
I tell you what, my boy. You tell me exactly what you want, and I will very carefully explain to you why it cannot be.
What?
Today is repossessing vehicles that fools have purchased at exorbitant interest rates. But tomorrow, together, I never had a black son. But if I did, I want him to be just like you.
Knock, knock, niggas.
Hello,
What's up,
Lamar.
What's up, homie? What's up, then, homie?
What's up, dog?
Franklin here has been awarded Employee of the Month.
You fucking with me, right?
Man, we both being fucked with, dog.
Man, knock it off, man. For real, after all the motherfucking work I put in, man.
Man, fuck this employee of the month shit, homie. I'm sitting up here trying
What
to
you
get us...
mean, fuck this employee of the month shit, man? When there's some shit to be won, goddammit, I want it. I don't give a fuck what it is. You know what I'm talking about? I take no prisoners. I go hard doing this shit. Big dog, big nuts. When names is on the motherfucking board, I want to see my name at the top of that motherfucking next to it. It needs to say, winner.
Maybe next month, huh?
Man, fuck next month, Simeon. What about today? I demand a retrial.
Today is nothing, just a bike. Hasn't made the payment at all. Some kid at Vespucci Beach. His name is Esteban Jimenez.
Is he in the gang?
Curiously enough, I did not inquire when he bought the bike.
We got work to do, employee of the month.
Man, fuck you and come on.
Man, you's about a yes-mouse ass nigga. Let's go to Vespucci, Magellan Ave. And you still rolling with that old raggedy ass hair? That country bumpkin shit is enough to get us shot right there.
I never took you to be old hairstylist type bitch, but now it's all starting to make sense. Hey, wasn't that motherfucker who took the bike that S.A. Vagos dude? With the tattoo on his face and shit?
Yeah, that was him.
Fuck, homie. I don't want no unnecessary bullshit here, all right?
Nigga, I don't give a shit. It's a reason Simeon pays a couple of mean-looking motherfuckers to come repo this shit. We ain't Girl Scouts.
In your case, I ain't so sure about that.
Man, step up, nigga. Of course this dude real. Who else gonna have the required surplus of paper and deficiency of brain cells? He just put a dub down on his bike.
20 G's?
With a 3G note?
Damn, that motherfucker must be tricked out, dog.
Man, this whole setup designed to take drug money.
All right, man, look, we go in quiet. In and out, no fucking drama.
I'll try, homie, but I'm one loud, dramatic, brass, crazy, greedy, shoot a motherfucker in the back type motherfucker. And you love me for it, nigga.
That's right. That's right, homie. Nothing but love, nigga.
That Simeon a funny dude, though. It's gonna be a shame when we get to book his ass and jack him for all this shit.
What the fuck you talking about? You a psychotic motherfucker.
That's how shit work, ain't it? You do some jobs for a fool, develop a little uneasy relationship, and then they ask you to do something above and beyond. You fall out, fools get capped, and then you start all over again with some other fool.
Where the fuck you get that from? That ain't my life, dummy.
How about the boy with the eye from around the way? Marcus or something? You was slanking for him, and then he got what was coming, right?
That was different. That dude had it coming.
I don't want to clap my boy Interior either. I like homie. This just smacks of the inevitable.
Look, dawg, this time we legit, homie. This honest work is gonna end up with us coming up in the world.
Oh, really? That's a nice change from fools coming up on us.
That's trio, homie.
You damn straight that's trill, Pop. But it's a shame I don't believe it. You want to drop some notes on that shit? I'll give you the odds, homie.
You Apache motherfuckers love y'all best, huh? You should go work on one of them reservation casinos.
The bike should be in one of the lockups down here.
Should be is the story of your life, asshole.
Do as I do, nigga.
Hey!
Think this crazy motherfucker wants something. Hey, what's up, homie? You all right?
No, wait! Away from me! For example, agents!
Yeah, you thought I was gonna hit your bitch ass, huh? Drunk ass nigga. Be cool, nigga. Yeah, that's right. Keep it moving, bitch.
Man, I don't like this shit one bit. Hey, look, let's keep it smooth, homie.
Man, your pussy the only thing that's smooth up in this shit.
Man, what exactly did I do in a past life to deserve your stupid ass?
This a routine lick, dog. Chill.
Do them Vagos look routine? This a shady-ass alley.
Shit, we in Vespucci Beach.
We on the wrong side of Vespucci Beach. You should know a block makes a difference.
Hey, hold up. Got to be in one of these motherfuckers. You think these tattooed motherfuckers gonna care we got a pink slip? Man, ain't this about a bitch? Ain't no motherfucking bike in here, man.
No shit, nigga.
Hola, amigos.
Hola, S.A.
Oh, we saw you trying to creep up in here, man.
Yeah? You saw this motherfucker?
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit!
Vamos!
Fucker.
Fucking down. Come on down, everybody. Come on
Hey,
down.
nigga, I would've just got my ass beat over a fucking gunfight.
Man, stop being a pussy, nigga, and grab that heat. Homies!
Get down.
Just on luck, homie!
Ah! Fuck you.
Find your
That's
bitch ass some cover! Get out here, man. Shit about to get real. Shit! On your left!
time to get
Nigga need
shot.
help over here. Get your fucking head down!
Madre puto.
Get him. Go, move in.
Buggles for softballs! Oh! We got to move! Get in behind that truck, homie! Motherfuckers on the scaffold is on. Shoot up that canister! Follow me, let's get through this! Damn, there's a gang of niggas out here. They got their whole hood with them.
So much for legit work.
There's the fool on the balcony. Up there, shoot that nigga. Bust his ass. Over there, they coming out that door. Get that car, they trying to get out of here. How many they got? Damn. Light them niggas up. You still breathing, homie?
Yeah, barely, homie.
Shit, we gotta get the fuck away from this shit.
Man, we only came here for a bite.
And that a motherfucker is right there. Hey, nigga, come here, we got your pink slip. May as well get this shit done.
Man, this is fucking crazy.
Let's get him, homie. I want to get paid.
Paid ain't worth shit when you doing 25 with an L. We massacred those motherfuckers. Shit.
Motherfuckers getting away from us.
That's because he's sitting on 140 cubic inches right here, nigga.
Oh, shit, Professor, you're right. This punk get away, we going down, homie. He gonna pin us for all these bodies.
And whose fault is that, Mr. 80s action movie body count motherfucker?
Don't play the blame game, just get on this shit. Man, you lost him already.
That's a monster fucking bike you riding, stupid.
Pop that fool. We need him on his ass so we can get what we came for. Shoot that motherfucker! Oh shit, he down! Dog, we gotta lay low. Get the bike and meet me at the car wash on Innocence. All right, I'll see you over there.
I love your pop.
Hey, you my dude, right?
Man, I can't hang with your ass for a while, bro. You a psychopath. You done finally fucking lost it.
Nigga, that's that Apache blood in me, homie. You ain't lucky I ain't do a flying tomahawk and scalp they motherfucking ass.
We can't repo the assets of a dead man, big sitting chief asshole.
Nigga, and we ain't going to neither, nigga. I'm gonna keep this motherfucker for myself. Tell Simeon we couldn't recover.
You fucking tell him, you fucking moron!
You owe me $20. I got you.